Welcome to day 2. We are going to finish putting these shoes up, and then we're going to give you a whole room tour of me downsizing from a lot. If you've been watching me, you know I had a lot of shoes and stuff. So with that being said, we're going to now get everything off this floor. I'll put a picture right here of what this floor looks like right now. But let me give you a backstory. I work for a lot of different shoe brands. I mean, from Shoe Dazzled, Shoeland, you name it. I worked with a lot of shoe brands. Mostly Shoe Dazzled and Shoeland before Shoeland went wherever it went. But oh, and Steve Madden. I work with Steve Madden as well. I'm looking at shoes as I'm talking. So I had a lot of shoes. I had shoes before I left New York City. I had a bunch of shoes. Plenty of boots. I'm not gonna have those out on display. They actually in the master bedroom in the closet, lined up really nice at the bottom of the closet. So I love shoes. I love and boots. Sneakers, I have those. Tennis shoes, if that's what you call it. I just love my heels. I am a 4-inch chica. I love me some heels. You got some 6-inch heels over here. That's 6-inch heels. So you have between 4 and 6-inch heels. So that's my thing. But like I said, I downsized because I wasn't wearing those shoes and somebody else could benefit from them. I'm also working again with another shoe brand. I'm not going to say which one as of yet. So this is why I got rid of some to bring in more, because I really love shoes. So here we go. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva. So as you see, we're going to finish putting the shoes up, and then I'm going to give you a 360 room tour. It's not much to show, just a bunch of shoes and the island. The island is not going to be complete because I don't know what I want to put in these shelves here as of yet. That's neither here nor there. So let's get started. I'm going to cut and come back when the shoes are up. I'm not going to film all of